Hey guys, it's your girl Cam, and welcome back to Cam Time. So guys, as y'all have seen by the title of this video, it's a vlog. It's a vlog. It's a vibe. It's going down. That's what's gonna happen. So guys, today is Monday, first day of the week. And it's giving me vibes. It's giving me um very much newness, happiness, fresh new start. I haven't been vlogging and I decided that just pick up your camera and vlog. So here I am guys, I am here with another vlog, and this year 2022 baby 2022 I'm gonna be giving you guys much more vlogs. More vlogs are coming to you guys this year, and it's gonna happen. Like, it's going down, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, let me stop rambling and rambling. There's a lot going on. This vlog is gonna be a plus minus whole week vlog. Like, the whole week I'm gonna be picking up the camera, I'm gonna be shooting content for you guys, bringing you some amazing content. But today nothing is happening much. Today I'm just gonna be chilling with my baby. We're just gonna be at home chilling, watching movies, eating some snacks, and then new week, new nails, baby. New weeks, new nails. But what I mean is not those ones. My toenails. My toenails. And I also ordered a tripod. I can't wait for it to arrive. I cannot wait for it to arrive because, come on now, cut this crap of betting to upon each other. Like, no, don't know. No. We are 2022 vibes. We are in 2022, and things are going down. That's what's good. But what was I saying? I talk too much, guys. I'm so sorry. I say it's a vlog. It's a vlog. It's a vlog. But today I'm gonna be giving you a little montage and a little quick step-by-step tutorial of how I transform my nails, how I personally transform my toenails. Like, it's looking crazy right now, and I need new sets of toenails. Although it's gonna be the same color, but bruh, renewization. Anyway, let me show you guys my toenails right now. It's horrible. Guys, when I tell you things are bad, things are really bad. Like, what the hell? Look at this, guys. Then here, there's no polish, and then some other places, it's like it's gone. So yeah, I gotta transform these. So you guys, y'all saw the pandemic. It's bad. It's crazy. So, bed is made. Do, 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 do. Guys, tell me how cute my bed is looking right now. I'm so obsessed with beddings. Like, bedding sets are just amazing. Tell me how cute my bedding set is right now. Like, no, you can't. You stop playing with me right now. Stop playing with me. What are you saying? So guys, if you are ready, because I'm in a very good mood. If you are ready and you want to see more, let's get right into the video. A few hours later. Hey guys, hi, I'm back. So guys, an update. I went to eat, and from there I just took a bath, and you can see the girl is glowing even without makeup. Period. So it's the DIY week for me. This is my hair, guys. Can you believe how beautiful my hair is? I love my hair so much. Like, it's so beautiful, and it's just on point. What are you doing? I'm ready to go out right now. We are going mini shopping. So I'll see if I can show you guys that part. I believe I can. I need to also stop by at the bank, so that's what I'm gonna do. And I just received a message. Ooh, I just received the message. My tripod is coming tomorrow. Hey, ke re tripod ya tla ka hosane. Like, bruh, sure. So I'm very happy. I really cannot wait to open it up. I can't wait for it to get here. And I'm gonna be giving you guys a review, unboxing type of thing, you know. So yeah, I'm waiting for my baby. He's running late. I wanted to do a bit of makeup, but I was like, no, there's no time. But he's the one running late now. But yeah, guys, let's go shopping. What, you need some drink? So guys, this is all the things I got from ShopRite. We bought this. This has become my favorite. Sprite and Fritos. And we also got this nuts. And then there's water as well, because we buy water. We don't drink tap water. And here's just the chicken, which I'm gonna cook for dinner tonight. So yeah, guys, this was just a mini shopping haul.
A few hours later.
Come back, guys. I know it has been like several hours later. I spent some time with my baby, and now a few minutes ago, I won't say hour, a few minutes ago, I was busy editing. I already started editing this video. That's how proactive I am, bruh. Today was actually a productive day for me. I usually just sit at home doing nothing. You know what I'm saying? So right now, which is gonna be the last activity of the day, or rather the last thing I'm gonna show for this vlog today is me cooking dinner. So it is currently like 4 p.m., right? And sis is going to start cooking. I'm gonna start cooking to now at this point because I know my mom is gonna come around 5 p.m. She's gonna be knocking off at work at around 5 p.m. and I know that she'll be very hungry when she comes. And then I am really feeling a bit hungry. So I'm gonna go make dinner right now, and I'm gonna bring you guys along, obviously, and we'll see each other the next day, which is tomorrow, which is in a few hours, which is Tuesday, where I'm gonna get in my tripod and I'm gonna giving you guys my review. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Guys, just look at this. My meat is all marinated. Looks so yummy. So guys, this is what I cooked. Some chicken, and my mom made the bread. So yeah.
The next day.
Hey guys, and welcome back to another day of this vlog. So I am so sorry. I really actually wanted to make like a proper morning while still in my bed, laid off and everything, just waking up, telling you what I'm about to get to throughout this whole day. But I couldn't, and I had to rush out of bed because my tripod just arrived. Guys, I did not expect this tripod to come this early. Like yesterday, they did send me a message telling me that they're gonna send it today before 5 p.m. And they also sent me a message today around 6 a.m. They told me that my delivery is out and it will be delivered before 5 p.m. So obviously, I got before 5 p.m. I'm just like, okay, maybe it's like a 3 p.m. Or maybe 2, something there, right? And then no, they just arrived a few minutes ago, and I just got my delivery. So I'm about to give you guys a tripod unboxing, and um, just showing you guys how it is. I don't know how it is. I don't know how it is. And we're about to see how it is and how it works. And you know what I'm saying? So I just did my bed right now quickly. I haven't washed my face, I haven't brushed my teeth, anything. I just got out of the bed, rushed out, go pay for my order, and I came in here quickly, dressed my bed, and I said I need to address you guys and talk to you about this. So here I am. And yeah, let me stop rambling and rumbling. Let us get into this unboxing, baby. Guys, like seriously, I feel like this box is too small. I don't know. Is this supposed to be a tripod in here? Like seriously, why is it so small? Like it's just too small. Like the box is so small. Like how is a tripod fitting in here? Unless they really bayikobile. Like really bayikobile. I hope it's not a small tripod because online it was really a big tripod, like any camera. Okay, it really stood up. So let's see. I'm so excited to see, and I hope I won't be disappointed. Like, I really hope I won't be disappointed. Okay. Okay. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. Why man gets a sore head? They almost gave me a freaking heart attack. It's in here, guys. Look at how they made it stand. Like, they almost gave me a freaking heart attack. Why the small box? Like, if actually it came like this, I would understand. Oh, this is a tripod. The things are going down. Yeah. So, how do you open this thing? Okay. Let's see. Okay. Hey, hey, hey. Huh. Okay. Okay, okay. What? Am I supposed to connect this on my own? What? I don't know why I'm smiling. Okay, obviously it stands like this. Okay. Ooh, I'm confused a bit. I don't know where to touch. Like, I don't want to ruin it. I really don't want to ruin it. Guys, not easy. Yo, I don't know. There's a whole bunch of stuff here. Like, what do I do? Okay, this is the legs and shit, but I know it's supposed to extend. Oh, you open it. You see, guys, I'm opening it like this now. You see? And then it extends. Oh my god, let me show you another different. Let me show you a different angle. So guys, like I said, you open it here. You see? They were actually closed. So you open it, open it. It goes further down. And then if you're satisfied with the length, you just close them again. The same with this leg. You extend it. You see? And then you close them again. Close them. Close them. And this one as well. You open them and then it goes down. Close it, close it, close it. Ooh, guys. And then you expand it like this. I feel like it's small though. Or should I? Maybe I should extend it just a bit more. You can extend it like, I think this is the full length actually. Yeah, this is the full length. So I'm gonna make them the same length. Okay. Close them, open them, open them, open them. Why is this one? This one is small. These ones are the same. So let me see this one. Why is this one not? Guys, this one is not equal.
Ai, eme jwalo.
No, ena e kgutshwane.
E kgutshwana ntho tse tse pedi tseo ha di a arohana tse di kopane.
Tse
Ona
feng?
tshwantseng tse boithunitse o sentse e tloloha ho tloha moo ee.
O e utlwela jwang? Oh! Okay, my genius mommy. Ha! Okay. And then I don't know the situation here. They gave me this and it's really one separate. I don't get it. So I don't know what's going on. Guys, I am so excited. I am very happy and I love the packaging. Like it was simple but still, you know. And I love the services won't take a lot. They don't play around. Like they don't play around. They don't take long, first of all. They deliver when they say they're gonna deliver, secondly of all. And they don't waste time. They don't waste time. The services are just, and I'm gonna be ordering more and more from them this year and any other year of my life. Like seriously, the tripod is standing right now, but I'm still trying to figure out. Guys, I'm still trying to figure out this thing, so I'm gonna go figure it right now, cause I gotta put it. I gotta put my phone there, and then I'm gonna get back to you guys. So guys, I was finally able to assemble this tripod. This is its full length. I think this is its full length. I think I'll be able to manage it. I wish I could go a bit higher though, but it is what it is. So guys, I finally was able to assemble the tripod. I am able to at least use it, see what goes where and what does what. But there's just a lot of turnings, and I'll figure it out as I go because I can't learn a tripod just in one day. But I'm proud of it. I'm proud of the work I did. At least I was able to figure out a couple of things. So yeah, enough of the tripod. I'm gonna see the tripod again when I shoot a video because I got a video to shoot. But yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying my content. You're enjoying my vlog. Oh god, it's so hot all of a sudden. But anyway, I'm just gonna go right now and I'm gonna have my breakfast. I'm gonna have a bath, and from there I'm gonna come in here, share my content, and I'm not show you guys that that part when I do my thing. But yeah, from there there's nothing happening. I'm just gonna close the vlog. Maybe if there's anything interesting I do, I'ma show you. But yeah, see you in a bit.
I've been thinking about you. Oh yeah. Oh, there ain't no one else that does the things that you do to me. That's why I get nervous. I try to be cool, but you see me the right way. Oh, and I see you too. I don't wanna push you farther away, no, I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no, I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for wanna be together, be together? Babe, I want your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters. I got feelings about you. Oh yeah, yeah. Butterflies every time I'm with you. Oh yeah. I don't wanna push you farther away, no, I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no, I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for wanna be together, be together? Babe, I want your love. I'll be the one.
Hey guys, I am back. I'm back. Welcome back. It's been a while since I've spoken to you guys. I'm about to do my hair and my makeup, and I'm firstly gonna start with my makeup, and then I'm gonna do my hair, do something really cute, my hair, do a very simple makeup. It's been a while, like it's really been a minute. So guys, one thing I'm really sad about, you see, there's people that don't know how to advise you. You get to a store and you ask them. I'm not gonna ask them anymore. I've seen what the deal is. You get to a store and you ask them like, hey, what do you think is the best foundation for me? And they tell you, take this one, a stick foundation. Something I'll never do in my life. This is now working quite well. Ke tlo nka ele amazing and ele foundation is smart and ya dula. This thing doesn't. I'm waiting for it to literally end.
can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings, say you wanna take some time. But if you say we'll meet again, why'd you have to take everything now? Baby, are you lying? Have you met someone? Tell me now. I better start crying, make them feel bad before we leave town. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say. And then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say. Why hasn't he called me back? It's been 3 days. Stalking his Instagram, saying he's in a phase. So now you're telling everyone that we're drifting apart. Now I know that it was you who made me feel so messed up. Hanging out with new females, cute, but are they even real, man? Jealousy, I think it's jealousy, but hell with it, still a good melody. Or maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1, and then I lose it. If I can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings, say you wanna take some time. But if you say we'll meet again, why'd you have to take everything now? Baby, are you lying? Have you met someone? Tell me now. I better start crying, make them feel bad before we leave town. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say. And then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say. Why hasn't he called me back? It's been 3 days. Stalking his Instagram, saying he's in a phase. So now you're telling everyone that we're drifting apart. Now I know that it was you who made me feel so messed up. Hanging out with new females, cute, but are they even real, man? Jealousy, I think it's jealousy, but hell with it, still a good melody. Or maybe I got problems